So this is part 7z17. So it's 11, alright, line 22, 7b97z17. Drude model Higgs, speed of light, CERN, 2012, 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal and math equation there. And I was working on this July 25th, 2013. Today's September the 2nd, 2013. So this is proving the Drude model electrons and logarithms to be true with the Higgs boson mass particles and Higgs signals. A superlattice, speed of light results, CERN 2012, and neutrino particle mixtures in the Wow data formulas, joule formula in Wow data line 22, cross-reference lines 1 to 27. So this is the previous video, which I didn't fix till now. Line 22, 7b97H, free electron model crystal lattice 5G Wow Seti. And the previous video was 97z16. So it's line 22, 7b97z16. And it's Drude DC Higgs electric field neutrino collisions 5G Wow Seti. Quotes from Wiki: the Drude model of electrical conduction was proposed in 1900 by Paul Drude to explain the transport properties of electrons and materials, especially metals. Two most significant results of the Drude model are an electronic equation of motion, time-varying analysis. The dynamics may also be described by introducing an effective drag force at the time t equals TO plus dt. The average electron's momentum will be this equation, because on average a fraction of this equation of the electrons will not have experienced another collision, and the ones that have will contribute to the total momentum to only a negligible order. With a bit of algebra, this results in the differential equation. So you have another equation there, and where P denotes average momentum and Q the charge of the electrons. This, which is an inhomogeneous differential equation, may be solved to obtain the general solution of this equation. For PT, the steady state solution for another equation is then, and there's another equation. As above, average momentum may be related to average velocity, and this in turn may be related to current density. And then we have two equations, and the material can be shown to satisfy Ohm's law with a DC conductivity. So here's the main equation there, and then there's a graph. It says complex conductivity for different frequencies, assuming that t equals 10 to the power of minus 5, and that this equation equals 1. The Drude model can also predict the current as a response to a time-dependent electric field with an angular frequency. The symbol, in which case this equation, here it assumed that another equation and another equation in other conventions, I is replaced by minus I in all equations. The imaginary part indicates that the current lags behind the electric field, which happens because the electrons need roughly a time, t, to accelerate in response to a change in the electrical field. Here the Drude model is applied to electrons. It can be applied both to electrons and holes, i.e. positive charge carriers and semiconductors. The curves for the two symbols are shown in the graph. August 19th. The Drude model sounds like the differences in speed for your Higgs boson particle signal CERN 2012 test results, where it went faster than the speed of light. Then a variation was found and recalculated to be less than that, but not able to explain. The Drude model can be applied to electrons and holes, which is perfect for the superlattice UFO engine structure's requirements. Use these algorithms with the particle mixtures and laser beams to get the UFO engine idea to work. And I missed something, so we're still looking at the Drude model. Okay, so the keyword Drude model will be in the next video. Thanks for watching.